Yes, we are back and we are here with Rika Presa of I Am Presa. Yay!
And
And
I will force the intern to say who too.
say who?
I know.
We have in the house, wala kang grade. We have in the house Louis from CU Bulacan, right? You're from CU Bulacan. All right. He's the one slaving it off for us today. And Rika's gonna show us how to wear the I Am Presa.
The I Am
talaga.
Presa.
The I Am Presa. 10 ways because we have so much time to do
Okay,
it.
great.
And this is gonna be fast lang naman eh.
Yeah.
I mean, if you're on the go, it's summer, it's so hot, you don't have time really to do a lot of things. So this one's pretty fast.
Yeah.
Okay, 10 ways. Number 1.
Number 1. You know what's really cool about the shawl is that you can take it off when it's super hot, and then when you're cold, for example, you go in the mall, you go back to the office, you can just put it on.
Uh-huh.
So what I do is,
Okay.
so this is what the shawl looks like. Jay will have a video in this.
Yes,
somewhere.
but it's circular.
It's circle. It has
Okay.
one hem.
Uh-huh.
So usually you put the hem at the back, and this is what you call a long scarf. You basically just hang it.
Yay.
neck.
That's
Yeah.
one.
That's
I
one.
like that though, right?
It covers your.
It covers your midsection.
Yeah.
It covers your midsection if you want to hide
Yeah,
that
or
part.
if you ate a lot
True.
too much today. Yeah.
And it's also like a necklace. You can put like
Yeah, it's
a
like an
clip there or
accessory.
something. Yeah.
Yeah. And
Okay.
then you can drape it down. This is the second part.
Okay, second part.
Yeah, you just drape it down,
Uh-huh.
which it becomes like a front cardigan.
Ah, all right.
So when you're cold, you can hang it on. You can use it as a blanket, and this way, super comfortable.
yeah, it's comfortable. It's not heavy.
Yes, not heavy
and
at all.
it's not gonna fall off all over the place.
Yes, it's
okay.
true. And then back
Third.
to the long scarf. You just have to twist it. So there will be another like circle.
It's like an 8 now.
Yes, it's like a number 8. And then you put it over your head. Like on your neck. So it becomes like a dual scarf.
It's like 2 scarves.
It will keep your neck warm basically. Mm-hmm. So that's the third.
The third.
Yeah,
yes,
right.
that's the third.
The fourth one is that from this style, you just lift the first layer at the back. Mm-hmm. It becomes something like a hoodie.
Oh, that's nice.
Right? You just
I
put
love
shades.
it. Yeah.
You know, for people who are scared to have freckles because of the sun.
Or if you're going to a rave party.
Yeah,
Something.
pwede.
I mean, they still have rave parties these days, but
You know what? I think they do, right?
yeah, you can style your, like, if you're just wearing a shirt and
Yeah.
shorts, you can style yourself like that. So
Super
this is the
nice.
back part
This
that you're
is the
gonna
back
go.
part. Yeah, because
okay.
it's quite long. I think the measurement's about 30 inches and then based on a 30-inch thing, so you can like top it off. And
Oh, okay. So
Yeah.
that's the fourth one.
for the fourth one.
On the fifth.
On the fifth one, you can drape it from the side. So you put the oval on your neck, right?
Okay.
But you put your one arm inside the loop, and then the other side, you drape it down, basically. So
It's like a sash.
it's like a sash. This is what breastfeeding moms actually do.
Oh,
to
okay.
cover when their baby is feeding.
This is perfect for Mother's Day, by the way. If
Yes.
the dad's there,
For
the
new
kids
moms.
are listening, you know, if you want something for your mom, okay, at
Yeah.
whatever age, they can wear the I Am
Yes.
Presa
Yes.
circle shawl.
Super.
Okay, so that's to cover you up just a
Yes,
bit.
Cover
Okay.
you up just a bit. Or if you want it, for example, you have a bikini or swimsuit under, totally perfect.
Yes,
just
it
match
is.
it with shorts and you have your bikini on. you
True.
Put this on.
And it's easy to take off as
Yes,
well if you
super.
want to go jump in the
And
pool.
it's easy to dry. The fabric's easy to dry.
Ah,
So
okay.
you don't stay soaked.
Oh wait, later on after your tents, tell us how to take care of it. 'Cause,
Sure.
Yeah, diba? Parang
Sure.
should you dryer
Yeah.
it? How do you wash it? Okay.
Okay,
Number
great.
5. So number 6.
Number 6. Oh, this is my favorite part.
Okay.
You go inside the loop.
Okay.
Loop.
So you put
fully.
yourself inside.
Inside.
Like a sako.
Yes. And then 2 tip fingers, your point fingers, you get
Uh-huh.
2 sides of the shawl and then you knot it in front of your bust.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Yes.
Oh.
And then your bust is supposed to court the fabric so it looks like a heart shape.
Yes,
sort
it's
of
like a sweetheart.
Yeah.
Neckline.
And then you just double knot it. You know, you don't want your shawl to fall off if you're just wearing...
True.
Because it looks perfect as a top.
Yes,
you can just
it
put it in shorts.
does. You're
Yeah.
right. Or pants.
Or pants.
leggings.
Yeah.
Right? Because it's
Yeah.
long enough to cover your crotch
Exactly.
area. Okay.
Yeah, this is the 7th.
Okay.
This one, you just have
7th.
to
Turn it around.
your top. It becomes a tube, and then the ribbon would be actually at the back. Jada's the only one who can see it.
Yeah, nice. Okay, so no, you're describing it pretty well, so they
Thank
can
you.
probably visualize it. Yeah,
Yeah.
I like it.
So
I like that, what
it becomes
you're doing.
like a full tube, and then you just have a back accent.
and your back peeps sometimes.
Yes.
because there's like a small hole.
Yes, there's
there.
like a
It's so
small
sexy.
ribbon. Yeah.
Okay. That's the 7th. Now the 8th.
Yeah, the 8th one is the skirt.
Oh, okay.
So basically, it's just a knot, and you're still inside the tube. It's something like the tube top actually that you just pulled down, because the knot is supposed to keep tight.
Okay.
So it becomes like a sarong.
It's a sarong. It
Yeah.
goes all the way below the knee. Is it
Before the knee.
before the knee? Okay. Oh, not too long then.
Not too
It is
long,
nice. Not
yeah.
too short. Just
Not
the
too
perfect.
short, yeah.
Just the perfect length. If you're in the beach,
Yeah.
or even if you're just out there. Right? If you're
Perfect.
just doing your shopping, your swimsuit shopping
Yeah.
or whatever. Okay, so that's the 8th. Okay.
Okay.
The 9th?
The 9th is the back cardigan.
Okay.
Okay. Hold on.
So you're still inside. Oh, you took it off now.
I took it off because I need to show you the loop.
Okay.
So the loop, you put it like a jacket. So the
Okay.
loop, you put your 2 arms inside.
Oh, like what you did to me a while
Yes,
ago. Okay.
exactly. So you put your 2 arms inside, and then you drape down the first layer from the back.
Okay.
So it's supposed to look like a cardigan.
It's like a
There.
small jacket of sorts.
Yes, and
Like,
this is what I love for the movies.
yeah.
Turn. Okay.
Okay, that's okay.
There you go.
There.
That's a better display.
Yeah.
I'm posting now for the video.
It's like a small jacket of
Yes.
sorts. And it's
And it's
very
super
stylish.
comfy.
Because it just, it's like a hanging
Yeah.
kind of
and then,
jacket.
if you don't need it, stuff it in your bag.
It's like a bolero. That's what I'm looking
Yes,
for.
Exactly.
It's like
Because
a
it's not
bolero.
super long sleeve.
Yeah.
It's like
It's just comfy.
Yeah,
it's
it's
a
just comfy.
comfortable warm.
Yes.
Okay, number 10.
number 10. This one's a bit tricky.
Okay.
Not-
Yeah, let's save the best for last.
Yes.
Okay.
Save the hardest part for last. You can
Okay.
use it as a belt, just as like an accent piece. You basically have to go inside the shawl, go inside the loop, around your waist or hip area. Then you start to twist the
Just keep
shawl.
on, twisting
You
it.
twist it, but it will naturally curve and go loopy on its own. So
Okay.
that it's super easy to knot.
Oh, I see. Yeah, I
So
can
you
see
just
it.
have to lock it like that. And it
There's-
will become like a rose belt.
Yeah, I was gonna say
Yeah.
it's like a flower.
Yes, it's like a flower.
You could use this for your, like, if you're attending a wedding, like what
Yes.
you're wearing right now. That
Yeah.
makes it so formal na, right?
Yes, because I am attending a wedding.
You are today? Because you're wearing white and
Yeah,
it's
and then the
lacy.
shawl's black.
Yeah, it's very lacy and then that's perfect.
Yeah,
That's
especially
nice. Mm-hmm.
for those curvy women. This will super accent your hips
yeah.
and your waist.
Your
so
shape.
you have that shape. Yeah.
And also, when you were doing it like wearing it like a necklace, you could actually put a brooch or something,
Yes.
clip it or something shiny.
Yeah, some
especially
people
if
use
it's black.
some people use that
Clamp?
It's not a clamp, it's a circle, the bangle.
Oh yeah,
You insert
that
the-
too.
yeah.
You could do that too. And whatever piece of jewelry you have, you can actually wrap it around a long necklace or
Yes.
something. And yay! Thank you
10
so much.
ways. Can you imagine?
Yeah.
Little time.
How to wear your Circle I Impressa shawl. Yes. Circle I Impressa shawl 10 ways.
Yes.
And wait, how to take care of it? How do you wash it? You hand wash? Can you put it in the
You
washing
can
machine?
hand wash, you can washing machine. Basically, just to hang. Some people don't even iron it anymore because the fabric is so soft.
Yeah.
You can hang it and it will naturally just dry out straight,
Okay.
which is, less hassle for
Don't
everyone.
put it in the dryer though.
Some people do,
Some people,
actually.
and it's still okay.
Yeah, it's just more of the ironing. Just be careful. All irons will burn.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah,
so you
yeah.
just have to have it in the right temperature.
Okay, yay! Thank you so much, Rika. Is there anybody you want to say hi to?
I would like to say hi to Ross Davis for convincing Jada for me to be here.
Convincing! Wow, he didn't have to. He
Yeah.
just had to twist my arm.
And I think my dad is listening. Well, I told him before I left the house.
Okay.
Yeah,
He's tuned
so
in.
hopefully.
Hi, Rika's
Hey,
dad.
Dad.
Hi, Rika's dad.
Yeah.
your daughter's doing a great job. Thank you so much, Louie.
Thank you, Louie.
From CEU Malolos. And he is going to be, he did my pin board yesterday. When
Oh,
we
wow.
do announcements and stuff like that. So there, we slave off our interest.
Yeah.
pretty much.
You know what? We learned from that.
That's true.
Right? It's like you're the teacher. You're like the Yoda.
Yeah, we're like the Yoda. the Yoda here at Jam 88.3. Thank you so much, Louie. Okay, so is there anything more that you want to say to our listeners?
Grab a circle shawl. You know how to reach me now.
Yay!
And shout out to Nick Lazaro who left me.
Yeah,
in the booth anymore.
He was supposed to film you or video you or take
he's having a
photos.
bromance
With Russ and Alan right there. Okay, guys, we've got live rounds at 2 p.m. Stay stuck. Thank you so much once
bye,
again.
guys.
Rika Presa
This was
of
great.
I Am Presa. Thank you. Thank you
Thanks,
so
Jada.
much. Let's leave you something from the slide folder. This one's called I'm a Believer from Smash Mouth. You're on Jam 88.3 New Music Alternative.